Hello everyone, and welcome! Today, we're focusing on boosting your online privacy with Alia Tunnel VPN. We'll walk through the simple steps to set it up on your Android device, empowering you with a more secure connection. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Alia Tunnel VPN and tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the Alia Tunnel VPN app. On the main screen, tap the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and then select Online Update. This is essential to ensure you have the most up-to-date server list and connection settings. After the update finishes, choose a connection method. If available, select a UDP-supported option for potentially faster speeds. Alternatively, you can select a server located in your country. Then, open the server list and select Auto Server for convenience, or choose any other preferred server. To extend your session, tap Add Time. Finally, tap Start to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully configured Alia Tunnel VPN, enhancing your online security and privacy. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world.